Just 100 yen, just once, right? I'm scared. Just nearby the edge, I guess. It's harder than I thought. Should I go again?
Flashback.
Just 100 yen, just once, right?
End of flashback.
Okay, I'll try once more. I have no clue. Oh no, it goes down way too much. It was horrible. I'll try one more. One more. Last one. Okay. I need to get rid of these rings somehow, right? These coins. I said rings, I don't know why it's rings. Okay. Which one should I go for? I don't know. There. Get them all. Shut the camera. Like, how do you?
That's so smart. So we just went to 7-Eleven in the middle of the day.
I mean, 4:30.
4:30. And what did we get? We got strawberry mix on
I've been wanting to try it, I still haven't had it.
Oh my god, it has a straw, but it's a big straw. We got ramen. If this doesn't taste like the ramen in the ramen shop, I'll be mad. And we got chicken katsu sandwich. But
really bad prepackaged, but I couldn't see it.
It's okay actually. Like when you're on the run, I think it looks good.
We're definitely on the run right now.
We got shrimp sandwich. It's actually pretty good. It's just really expensive compared to the others. I mean, not
like €3.
Yeah, that's pretty expensive. And
I'm wanting to try that as well.
jelly brown sugar syrup. Those are very nice.
Have you had them before?
No. This is tuna mayo onigiri. Sounds good. Can do nothing wrong with that. We got Chinese spicy sesame ramen. Why did I call it ramen? It's Chinese. Also, I like coming to Japan to eat from other nationalities. And I like that they sell the soft boiled egg like this. I'll just put it in the ramen. It sounds good. We got the cheese string. Wait. Let me show you guys. This is the cheese string. I also got a cheese string as like a little charm. It actually has like the cheese string inside. The cheese strings.
That's the exact same thing.
Oh, it's the other way around. Yeah, I want to try one spicy cheese string. I didn't know Japan liked cheese string so much. There's a shrimp and mayonnaise. Ooh, shrimp and mayonnaise sounds really good. And I got salty grilled mackerel. I think onigiri. Sounds good.
I think that's all, right?
And I also got a pizza bun. I can help myself. I love pizza bun. Anyways,
came down to a total of 2,783 yen, which converts to about under €20.
under 20 years for all of this. It's like a whole meal and a half. I also got the monster from the
vending
machine.
You can get rid of your coins at the vending machines. I used 1910 yen coins.
Yeah, don't stay on the street too much though, otherwise they just drive you over. Anyway, we're gonna eat honey juice. Wait. Can I show something in the camera?
Yeah.
Look at the size of this. Look at the state of him.
He's so cute.
It packs 1 liter and max.
Wow.
It's also extremely slow. It's so funny.
You used it before? We're next to the train station. So you heard that every 5 minutes or so. The straw. Do I shake it? Ichigo milk. Milk. Strawberry milk. It's like boba. It has pieces. That's why the straw is so big. I don't love it. That's okay, I guess.
The first day.
I've never done it. It's on the floor.
What the fuck? What?
I always bought this in the store.
Yes.
That's insane. Let's go! Oh my god. Finally. You got each other's one, that's so funny. That looks fun, bro. Yeah, oh my god. I want to do that. Japanified. It's good.
Take this piece here. I already cut it off.
This one?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh gosh, I went here.
Today's goodies. Maybe individually, they're not expensive, but the amount of money we spent at the arcade. Yeah.